To create your own digital consultation, go to Google Forms. It will bring you to a page like this. The form will be untitled, and then you can edit it to say whatever it is that you want. You're going to click on responses so that when the responses are submitted by your clients, that it's going to be saved onto a Google spreadsheet for you so that you can collate those responses, upload the information onto your website if you want. You're going to go to the settings and you're going to come down and you're going to choose whatever way you want the responses to be collected, whether they're going to collect the email addresses, whether you're going to respond directly to the client and give them a copy of the consultation form. I recommend that you do all of this. So this is where in the settings you can edit this to suit whatever way you want to collect that information, whether the client, what message you want to be automatically sent to the client on completing that form. You can type in a thank you message. You can tell them whatever it is that you want. I recommend that you tell them if they have any questions, how they can contact you following the completion of this form. Whether you want them to text you or ring you or something like that, you can send this and this will automatically get emailed to your client. Once this form is completed and you have that email address, now you have a way of marketing to that client going forward. So think about the questions that you put in on the form, like their name, their date of birth, their telephone number, their email address. If you collect all of this information, then you'll be able to text them, email them, send them messages when it's coming up to their birthday, giving them special offers for their birthday. All of that kind of information you can send to them following you creating all of the answers on this form. So I've included sample questions to ask them on the download, but you can literally type in any type of question that you want. If you type in multiple choice, so they have to give you a yes, no answer. If you want them to actually add in information, you can say short answer where they'll type in an answer. You can put in a paragraph if you want longer answers. Multiple choices, kind of yes or no. You can put in a date so they have to choose a date. So for their date of birth, for instance. And required is the button. So that if you have required selected, it means that answer is required in order for them to move on and answer the next question. So I would always have them as required in order for them to work their way through the form. So you can type in any type of question you want. You can make the text different. You can add in different links. So that's a link to your website or something like that. Whatever you want to send the customer, make sure you use the form or put the questions on the form so it's easy for them to follow. Make sure you preview the form before you send it out to make sure that there's no mistakes so that you can go back and edit them if you need to. On the top bar, you'll see where you can publish the form. You can copy the link for the form and put it on an email address, or you can add it into a link on your stories, maybe on Instagram or on TikTok. You just paste the link in there so people can fill it out really easily. You can WhatsApp it to them. So if you copy the link, you can send them a WhatsApp message and then they just click on the link and fill it out there and then. So manage how they respond to you, collect all of their information, copy the link, paste it into a WhatsApp message or paste it into a certain place on your website so that you can collect all of this information from them. You can edit the form so you can add your own logo, your own fonts, your own colours, whatever it is that you want your brand to look like. You can upload your own photographs, your own logos, all of that onto that form. So you do that in here. If you've any questions or if you need help building your beauty business, reach out to me. I'm Sarah Naylor. I'm going to help you nail it in your beauty business. And I believe if we work smarter, not harder, we can digitalize our salons so that all of this work is getting done for you in the background and you're not having to do all of this paperwork. If you create these forms, it's literally making it really easy for you to just copy the form, paste it into a message to your client, they'll fill it out, and then you have all of this information there. It covers you for your insurance, so if they've any allergies or anything like that and they've said no to it, here, if they've not told you about medication, it's on them if they've not done it. So work smarter, not harder. Reach out to me if you need any help at all.